Welcome back to our channel. Today, get ready to tantalize your taste buds with an array of mouthwatering Nigerian snacks that you can whip up. From savory to sweet, we've got you covered with 6 quick and delicious recipes that are sure to satisfy your cravings. So grab your apron and let's dive into the flavors of Nigeria. You see, Nigerian cuisine is known for its vibrant flavors and unique recipes. When it comes to snacks, Nigerians have an array of mouth-watering options that are not only delicious but also quick and easy to prepare. In this video, we will explore 6 traditional Nigerian snacks that you can make in under 30 minutes, perfect for those busy days when you need a quick culinary fix. The number 1 on our list is the puff puff. Puff puff is a regular popular snack that is essentially deep fried dough balls. To make this puff puff, you need flour, sugar, yeast, water, and oil for frying. Mix the ingredients to form a batter. Allow it to rise. Then scoop spoonfuls of the batter into hot oil and fry until golden brown. Serve warm for a delightful treat. The number 2 on our list is the chin chin. Chin chin is a crunchy fried snack made from a simple dough of flour, sugar, butter, and milk. Knead the dough, cut it into small pieces, then fry until crispy and golden. Chin chin is perfect for snacking and can be flavored with spices like nutmeg or cinnamon. The number 3 on our list here is the akara. Akara is a classic Nigerian snack made from peeled black-eyed peas, blended with onions, peppers, and seasoning. Form the mixture into balls, then deep fry until golden brown. Akara is a protein-packed snack that is both filling and flavorful. And the number 4 on our list here is the suya. Suya is a popular Nigerian street food made of thinly sliced meat seasoned with a spicy peanut marinade. You can use beef, chicken, or even fish for this snack. Simply marinate the meat, skewer it, then grill or broil until cooked through. Suya is a savory and spicy snack that is sure to impress. And the number 5 on our list is the moi moi. Moi moi is a steamed bean pudding that is rich in protein and flavor. Blend peeled beans with peppers, onions, and seasonings, then steam until set. Moi moi can be enjoyed on its own or as a side dish with a rice or bread. Or you can equally eat it alongside your eko. Pardon me, I don't know English name for the eko. And the number 6 on our list here is the egg rolls. Egg rolls are a delicious snack made by wrapping hard-boiled eggs in a savory dough and deep frying until crispy. The dough can be made with flour, eggs, milk, and spices. Egg rolls are the filling and satisfying snack that is perfect for any time of the day. You see, these 6 Nigerian snacks are not only quick and easy to make, but also bursting with authentic flavors that will transport you to the streets of Niger. Whether you are craving something sweet, spicy, or savory, these snacks have got you covered. So next time you're in the mood for a taste of Nigeria, whip up one of these delicious treats in just 30 minutes or less. Happy snacking, and thank you for joining us on this culinary journey through Nigeria's delectable snacks. If you enjoyed these quick and easy recipes, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tasty content. And remember, the key to unlocking a world of flavor is just 30 minutes away. Until next time, I come your way again. Happy cooking.